When we see a perfect living master, I'm not talking of all masters, all gurus, there are so many. There are more gurus than seekers, according to my master. Therefore, it's a very big business nowadays. I am talking of those rare people, very rare people. Master used to say they can be counted on the fingers of the two hands in the whole universe. Those rare people are a projection of our own self. And when we meet them, a certain kind of love pulls us, which defies our thinking. Our mind creates the element of doubt and fear, and that love overpowers that. And we want to be drawn to them for some reason which is not known to the mind clearly. And that is what is the pull of love. And they do not really exist outside. We see them outside because we see everything outside. They exist inside. And they are our own self. That's a remarkable arrangement made. And some people say, my own self is my master. I said, yes. Do you see him? Do you see yourself? No. Then what good is it? This knowledge is no good if you can't even have contact with your own self. But if you see that self outside, you will see it. Well, the only way I can see, he said, is in the mirror. I said, you say to the mirror, shall I do this? And you say yes, the mirror will say yes. You want to do something bad? You say to the mirror, I want to do something bad. Is yes, mirror will say yes. In fact, if you ask in your head without a mirror, ask your mind, should I do something bad? Mind say, okay, for one is okay. A human being sitting outside, which is a true self, will say no. Therefore, we need a human being like ourselves. Not only for that reason, a bigger reason is to have the experience of love, which will alone pull us back to the top. When we experience love from anybody, there is an element of devotion that comes automatically. That is why love and devotion go together. Experience of love makes you devotee, whether it's a person or God or anything. Whatever sends you a message of love. People get messages from the soul. And they say, something in me told me to come here and see you. What is that something? Your own self telling you time is ready to go back home.